In this tutorial, we'll review how to use the topic finder to narrow down your search results in Gale. So from the high school library page, choose the Gale link. From here, we're going to go across the top and choose the marine science page that's been created for research in marine and environmental science. This page includes the Gale databases as well as some other outside websites. So we're going to choose Noodle Tools first and open up a project so that we have a place to deposit any citations that we find. Once that's open, we can go back to the database page and choose Academic OneFile. You can search by topic, browse topics here, or enter your own search term. Searching on coral reef brings up over 12,000 academic articles, some ebooks, as well as other news and images. In order to narrow that down, over on the right, select the topic finder. Each one of these cells represents a list of articles. The bigger the cell, the more articles. So searching and clicking here on habitat, I find 11 articles here. Just to show you the rest of the features, opening the article, you'll see the title, the authors, the journal that it's from, how long it is. As a scientific or academic article here, there's an abstract or summary which you might want to skim in order to figure out whether or not it's going to help you with your research. Other tools to help you are the sidebar, which lists similar articles as well as related subjects. So clicking on any of these brings up another set of articles. If you determine this might possibly be helpful, you want to make sure you cite it. So you're going to click the Cite, Noodle Tools, and export this citation into your Noodle Tools project. Now Noodle Tools is open and we're going to import this citation, which has been done. Closing that out, you can go back to the article where you can either get a permalink or you could send it to your Google Drive, download it, or even print it if you prefer. So there's an overview of using the topic finder to narrow your search results in some of the Gale databases.